Hello friends, myself A.S. Mokat, Assistant Professor, GMD Arts, BW Commerce and Science College, Sinnar. In this lecture, I would like to discuss variables in PHP. While discussing variable, we also discuss little bit about constants. First, what is variable? Variable are containers for storing information. Variable is a named memory location whose value may change during the execution of a program. Next, what is constant? A constant is a named memory location whose value never changes during the execution of a program. That is, constants stay constant whereas variables vary. Let's understand why do we need variables and constant. While building any web application, example banking, game, etc., we come across variety of data and data values. While building any web application, example banking, game, etc., we come across variety of data and data values. For example, while building banking application, we need to keep track of account holder's name, account holder's number, and we need to keep track of whether an account has balance or not, where an account has loan or not, etc. According to the requirement of the application, we should be able to store and process them. According to the requirement of the application, we should be able to store and process them. To store and process data and data values, we should be able to grab computer memory location and access them within a script. To grab a chunk of memory and access it within the script. To grab a computer memory and access it within the script, we need to declare a variable or a constant. Declaring a variable or a constant means allocating a memory location for some data. Initializing a variable or constant means putting an initial data value within that allocated memory location. In order to change the value in a variable or constant, we need to assign new value to it. Assigning a variable or constant means putting a new data value within that allocated memory location. Syntax. You can see here I have written syntax for declaring and initializing a variable. To declare and initialize of a variable, we have to write variable name preceded by $sign and equal to sign and put the initial value and last say semicolon. To assign new value to a variable, same, we write name of variable preceded by $sign and equal to sign and put the new value and last one is say semicolon. Let's see one example. In PHP code, $text is equal to hello world, $x is equal to 5, $y is equal to 10.5. After the execution of the statement, the variable $text will hold the value hello world and the $x variable will hold the value 5 and the variable $y will hold the value 10.5. Output of this program, First variable $txt hello world. Next $x 510 and $y 10.5. Rules for PHP variables. First, a variable start with the $sign followed by the name of the variable. Variable can start by using $sign or preceded by $sign. A variable name must start with a letter or the underscore character. A variable name must start with a letter or the underscore character. A variable name cannot start with a number. Variable name cannot start with a number, only start with a letter or underscore character. A variable name can only contain alphanumeric character and underscores like A to Z, 0 to 9 and underscore. Variable names are case sensitive. For example, $h and $h are two different variables. Thank you.